give you a 2-minute quick tip on hanging decor in your camper. Camper walls are pretty flimsy and pretty thin. You don't want to be using nails and screws and things like that because you don't want them to go all the way through and poke a hole in your camper or cause damage. So the easy solution to hanging decor in your camper, 3M strips. I prefer using the Velcro just because I feel like they put a stronger hold because you have a strip on your decor piece and on the wall. These are easily removable. You pull the tab and it stretches and it comes right off and doesn't cause any damage. No holes, nothing like that. Once you secure it in place, it's there for good. This piece has been on our wall for about 2 years now, and traveling, going down the road over some bumpy, unpaved roads and everything, and it has stayed put. And it's a pretty good solid piece of wood. So if this can stay put, you can hang just about anything. You can even use 3M strips on pieces like this that you want to set out on a counter that you don't want to go anywhere. To use a 3M strip, you simply pull the protective backing off and then press the 3M strip onto your decor piece. You should hold for about 30 seconds. I like to put the other Velcro strip directly on to the first Velcro strip that I installed and push down just so it's really secure. Then you pull the protective backing off the other strip, set it where you want, push down and hold for 30 seconds. Once you've done that, you're good to go. You can even leave that piece out when you're going down the road. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our 2-minute quick tips. We'll be giving you all kinds of advice on how to make camping in your trailer easier. Let's get camping!